Okay, we're in a 2012 evergreen everlite travel trailer, 35 foot with 2 slides. This has a tremendous amount of space in it. You have a 4 foot wide by a 12 foot long super slide, which creates, just an incredible amount of room. The dinette turns into a bed. The couch turns into a sofa bed. You've got 2 beautiful Lazy Boy recliners. Very nice hard counter surface for your kitchen. Microwave, oven, stove, and refrigerator. And then behind me you've got your stereo system and a TV, which I do not have. I will include, depending upon the price, a 32-inch TV, which you could probably fit something bigger there, but 32 is probably plenty. What really turns me on is look at the fabric. It looks like this was never used. Usually the dinettes, the upholstery has started to deteriorate. This is again 5 years old, and it looks like nobody has ever sat in it. Even the recliners. Look at usually it's dirty here. Right through here is all usually dirty, and even there's no, you know what I'm talking about? This, I don't think people stayed in this. I think this was they went on vacation twice a year type thing, and it just sat. Bathroom looks perfect. And then the mattress doesn't look like anybody's ever been on it. This is incredible. Very, very nice unit. And the exterior is beautiful. The laminate is beautiful on the outside. There's no signs of any delamination. Stickers are in excellent shape. Look at all the valances. They're beautiful. And the wood is real. This is real wood. This isn't that compressed cheap board. This is a very, very nice unit. It's called an evergreen everlite. And the weight is 6,750 pounds. So you can tow this with a like a Tahoe, or an F-150. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Wow. Okay.